Hello everyone, welcome to easyedu, and today we are going to learn about laws of exponents and how to solve the exponents in mathematics. Any term which is represented as b power n or e power n is known as exponent. In this term here, b is the base and n is known as the power. So this is an exponential term or an exponent. There are 6 basic laws and rules with the help of which you can solve exponents in mathematics. The first rule is also known as the product of power. If we have two exponents, for example x power m multiplied by x power n, and these both exponents are in multiplication with each other, then its solution will be x power m plus n. We will simply add the power of these two terms, will get a new term which will be x power m plus n. For example, if we have 2 square multiplied by 2 power 3, then we will have then its solution will be equal to 2 power 2 plus 3 or 2 power 5. Now the rule number second, if the power are same and the base is different, then we will simply multiply the base and take the power common on both of these terms. For example, if we have 2 square multiplied by 3 square, now this time 2 and 3 are both different but their powers are same. So we will have 2 multiply 3 whole square, and that will be equal to 6 square. Now rule number 3 is about division of power. If we have x power m divided by x power n, it means the base of both the exponents is same but the powers are different. Then we will minus the power of the second exponent from the power of the first exponent. So we will have x power m divided by x power n, and this will be equal to x power m minus n. For example, if we have 2 square divided by 2 power 3, then we will have 2 power 2 minus 3, which will be equal to 2 power minus 1. Now rule number 4 is, if the base of both the exponent is different but they have the same power, then we will have x divided by y whole power n or x by y whole power n. Simply we will take the power common on both the terms. For example, we have 4 square divided by 2 square, then we will have 4 divided by 2 whole square, and dividing 4 by 2 we will get 2, so we will have 2 square. Now rule number 5 is the power of an exponent, the power of a power. If we have x power m whole power n, then we will simply multiply this first power with the second power and we will get x power m n. For example, if we have 2 square whole power 4, then its solution will be 2 whole power 2 multiplied by 4 or 2 power 8. Rule number 6 is, if the power of any exponent is equal to 0, then that will be equal to 1. For example, if we have 2 power 0, then this will be equal to 1. If we have 3 power 0, that will also be equal to 1. So if the power of any exponent is equal to 0, then that term will be equal to 1. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos.